Hi guys, welcome to Tech Granth. So today we'll solve first bad version, and this problem practically is a bad way of saying you do binary search. That's it. So that's the solution for you. If you have gone through the problem and it did not click to you, so just go ahead, do a binary search and try to solve the problem yourself. And if you are facing the any issue, then you can just come back to the video and yeah, we'll solve it anyway. So here it says that you are a product manager and currently leading a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the latest version of your product fails the quality check. Since each version is developed based on previous version, all the version after a bad version are also bad. So suppose you have n version 1 to n and you want to find out the first bad one which caused all the following ones to be bad. So you are given an API which says that is bad version. When you pass is bad and the version number to it, and it will return whether it is true or whether it is false. So when you look at this problem, it will seem very similar to something like this. If you have been given an array and you have one, or all these should be comma separated basically. You have 2 2 2 and then 3 3 3.456, something like this. An array has been given and you have been given a target 2 and you need to find the first value position of the, suppose you are given a number target 2, that you need to find 2 and you need to give the first occurrence of 2 in this array, in this sorted array. So it looks similar to that, and that is why where it clicked to me also, that yeah, it is a straightforward case of binary search. So yeah, let us solve this problem. So what we need to do is if means we will do the binary search only here, and we will have a lower bound which is 1, because it says that the version starts from 1, and we'll have a higher bound which is equals to n, and we will say while low is less than high, if low is less than high, so we'll do the binary search. So here we will have a mid value, so mid is equals to, and is equals to low plus high divided by 2. Actually I will do the other way around. I will say high minus low. I will come back to this later in the problem, and I think this is one of the reason why this problem has like 706 dislike and 1500, like 50% or 34% of the people have disliked this problem. It might be because of this. I will come back to this point. I will say okay to do. So mid is equals to this particular value, and then we can call their function. This is bad with this mid value. If this is true, means this is the first occurrence where we got the mid value, so I will decrement my high and I will bring my high to this particular state, and otherwise we'll just increment the lower bound, which is equal to mid plus 1. So this is what we will do, and we will finally return low. So the low was the one which was the first occurrence of this 2 here, or the first occurrence of the bad number that or the bad version that happened. So this is what it is. So let us submit this problem. So it looks okay. I will submit it, and it is accepted. Now the thing I marked as to do, when initially I tried, rather than writing this, I used the conventional way of low plus high divided by 2, and when I submitted it, it timed out. It threw me that time limit exceeded error. I'm not sure why that happened, but yeah, as you can see, it is throwing time limit exceeded. It may be because it is crossing the limit of integer, so that may be one of the reason. So anyway, so that is the reason why a lot of people have disliked this problem, but yeah, that is the solution. So that's it for the video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.